Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Libras, we are picking these cards, guys. And Libras, I have your monthly reading in my other channel, guys. So that is for the month of July. So if you are interested, you can see the link in the description, guys, and you can watch that video. So Libras, let's start with these cards for your general energies for today, guys. We have Two of Cups, Tower in reverse, and Knight of Wands in reverse. So in your circumstances, guys, Libras, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, so you are seeing some changes today, guys, in your life. Maybe there are something unexpected happening in your life. It may be some drastic changes. Something is moving away, maybe in your work. Maybe the people who have helped you, they may leave you all of a sudden. They are taking up job elsewhere, or they are working in a different place, maybe different place of work. So some sudden changes, or you yourself, you are moving to a different place, a new place maybe, and you are starting again, starting new, starting from that beginning. Maybe you have to start over on certain things. Maybe something you did in your work or in your personal life, you have made some wrong choice or some mistakes. That may be the reason for the need for starting again, doing it again all over, guys. So even in this relationship, guys, with this person, you have thought of them as someone, but they are something else. They are quite different when you are up close and personal with this person. Whatever that image you built on this person is not matching with what you are seeing right in front of you, guys. So maybe for some of you, it is causing some kind of frustration in you. Maybe for some of you, you are, seeing things differently. Though you may have a level of understanding, though you may have intimacy, attraction towards this person, you are also seeing a lot of arguments or lot of stressful circumstances in your relationship, guys. So maybe you are really frustrated and disappointed with this person. So you don't know what will work or what will change the way things are going. But maybe, guys, this person may be your karmic destiny. That may be the reason they are here with you in this relationship, and you are going through a whirlwind of emotions with this person. So a lot of things are happening, lot of changes happening. It may give you a lot of pain and frustration, disappointments, guys, Libras. But you need to understand that these changes are necessary. These changes are the reason for some kind of a spiritual growth or emotional growth in you. And even in your career situation, guys, you may have great opportunities coming towards you, some kind of collaboration or partnership. But you need to put in a lot of efforts. You need to use all your skills and talents if you want success today, Libras, in your work situation. You need to be careful, devoted, dedicated to your work. Only then you are going to taste success, Libras. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Libras, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So we have Never Ending Story. This is the card for you all. So for those who chose this card, guys, in your relationship, in your circumstances today, you are repeatedly going through in your mind what happened, guys, what happened in your past. All that pain, that loneliness, abandonment, and rejection that you felt. And you instead of telling the happy things that you experienced, the joy you had, the love you experienced, and that deep bond and connection you had with that person, you are thinking and remembering the negative aspects of that relationship, and maybe that shame and fear and low self-esteem may be the greatest challenges you are facing that is preventing you from having a good relationship today. So your past and all that pain and fear of intimacy, maybe telling this person you are with all your pain and whatever happened in your past, that is the reason for stress and emotional baggage in this relationship, guys, and that is causing lot of problems for you in this connection, guys. So you need to have compassion for yourself, forgive yourself for whatever happened, and tell yourself a positive story, the way you were, the way the relationship was. So all that positive things that happened, and you can do it, because whatever you are telling yourself right now, it is only your point of view. It may be that story may be entirely different with that other person, guys. So you have to tell yourself positive things, have positive thoughts in your mind, and be positive today, and that is what is going to break the story of sadness and pain. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So for those who chose this second card, let's see what it is. It is Hansel, Survival. So with this card, guys, it just means that you should not be gullible. You should not be that innocent person who will fall for others' tricks. So you should use your wits, think fast, and access your inner genius and work out the way. Maybe you need to overcome your fear. You may feel fear, you may be afraid of certain things, but that fear should bring about smartest thinking and smart action in your circumstances, giving you courage and strength to handle your situation. So opportunity is there for you to work with someone. Maybe there is another person just like you, they are just hurt like you, and they are here to help you maybe, and you can make use of this help you are getting today, guys. And no matter what your situation is, no matter how big challenges you are facing in this relationship or in your life, in your work situation or wherever it is, guys, You are you are a very compassionate person, and you have your own skills and talents. You need to have that trust in yourself, guys. And you must implement the clever ideas that you have within you today to avoid further difficulties, and you are a greatest inspiration. So whatever challenging situation you are in, guys, you find the right way to come out of it, and you have leadership skills, and you are a very compassionate and kind person. You help others, so that may be the reason people love you and people appreciate you for that. So maybe circumstance, or there is someone waiting to put you down or pull you down, but you need to show them your strength, your true strength, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, what you feel about this reading. Thank you, guys. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.